this video tutorial, we will see how to print triangle pattern. Here, in the first line, there are 8 number of spaces appended with single star space character. In the second line, there are 6 spaces appended with 3 star space character. In the third line, there are 4 spaces appended with 5 star space character. In the fourth line, there are 2 space and appended with 7 star space character. In the fifth line, there are only 9 star space character. We can see here the number of spaces are decreasing by 2 line by line from 8 to 0, and number of star space increasing line by line from 1 to 9. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. This is our triangle.py file. Declare and initialize a variable with 0. We are going to use while loop here. While I less than the number of lines of the pattern 5. At the end of every iteration, we are going to increase I value by 1. To print the output, we will require one more variable. Initialize it with 5. Now let's print the first iteration. Here we have total 8 spaces in the first line appended with single star space character. In the second line, we have 6 spaces appended with 3 star space character. In the third line, we have 4 spaces appended with 5 star space character. In the fourth line, we have 2 spaces appended with 7 star space character. In the fifth line, we don't have any space and we have 9 star space character. Now let's write logic for this pattern. Single space appended with, here we are going to use j variable. J value is 5 minus 1, which is going to give us 4. 4 multiplied by 2, which is going to give us 8. This is our j value appended with single star space character. Here I value we are going to take I. Here in the first line, I value is 1, so 0 multiplied by 2, 0 plus 1. Let's see the output line by line. In the first line, I value is 0, j value is 5, which is going to give us j minus 1, which is 5 minus 1, 4 into 2, 8, and star space character I value is 0, 0 into 2, 0 plus 1, which is going to give us 1 value. Now at the end of iteration, I value is increased by 1, and here we need to decrease j value by 1. So after the first iteration, j value is 4, which is going to give us the result for spaces 4 minus 1, 3 into 2, which is going to give us 6, and I value is 1 here, 1 into 2, 2 plus 1, which is going to give us 3. Similarly, for the third iteration, I value is 2, j value is 3, which is going to give us 4 and 5 value for our number of spaces and star space character. For the fourth iteration, I value is 3 and j value is 2, which is going to give us number of spaces 2 and number of star space character 7. For the fifth iteration, I value is 4 and j value will be 0, 1, which is going to give us 0 spaces appended with 9 star space character. So comment these lines and run py triangle.py file. This is our expected output. We can use while loop, we can use for loop in place of while loop, we can use any other character in place of star. There are various other methods to execute this code. In the next video tutorial, we will see how to print a reverse triangle pattern.